First, take out the object. Twist one side open and thread the thread through. The length of the wire can be adjusted. Then pick up the connector and loosen the screws. Place the 3 lines in order. Then tighten the corresponding screws. Unscrew the other side and thread the thread through. Connect the 3 lines in the same order. Then tighten the corresponding screws. Then gently pull the connector flat. Then close the cover of the waterproof box and tighten the screws. Then put the waterproof covers on both sides and tighten them. Installation completed.